Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today's topic is going to be a bit different from my usual ones, alright? Most of my videos focus on technicals, sometimes psychology, but today I want to talk about a subject that gets very little attention. A topic that seems too good to be true, alright? And we all know that in our line of industry, in our industry trading, if something seems too good to be true, then it probably isn't true. Yet, so many people fall for it. Today's topic is trading bots, specifically paid trading bots, okay? Which most of them are, but one of the main reasons I'm making this video is that over the past 4 or 5 months, I've been receiving a lot of partnership and collaboration requests from companies offering paid trading bots, right? So basically they want me to advertise their bots to you, my audience, and they offer fixed payments, no affiliate percentages or commissions, just a good amount of upfront money. And of course, I will never accept such offers. And in this video, I'll explain why, and I will also help you to understand why all trading bots on the internet, yes, all of them, are scams in one way or another. Now, for the people who don't know what trading bots are basically automated trading strategies, okay? A trading strategy that is automated, programmed into an algorithm, right? The commercial name is a trading bot. But all you have to do is to set it up on a computer, your own computer or a VPS. A VPS is just another computer located somewhere else, alright? That is on all the time. That's the just a simple explanation of what a VPS is, alright? But these bots, these trading bots, can trade with minimal human intervention. Almost zero. So all you need to do is to set up parameters like risk levels, and the bot does the rest, right? But with increasing awareness in the trading space, luckily, people no longer fall for the ridiculous claims of bots promising 300% monthly returns, okay? So those scams are easy to spot, but I want to focus on the more believable, quote-unquote, believable ones. The paid bots that claims to deliver steady returns of 2, 3, sometimes 7% per month, okay? Those are popular nowadays. Now, these services use clever psychological tricks to make their bots seem legit. Clever but legacy psychological tricks that has been around forever. You can pick any book from the 80s, 70s, and you will find them there, and they are still using it nowadays in every single business or niche. So they don't promise outrageous returns, but instead pitch reasonable numbers like 6 to 7% per month. They price their bots in a way that makes them seem valuable, but not too cheap, okay? Not overly expensive, not too cheap, right? So this pricing is part of, like I said, an old marketing tactic. If it seems valuable, it must be worth the money, right? And you can notice that in your daily life. If you see something that worth $1,000, for example, I don't know, a t-shirt, right? That means you automatically think that they made it from high quality materials. You don't think that it's from cheap materials but overpriced. You don't think that. So the same thing applied here. If it seems valuable, it must be worth the money. But let me tell you something. Even those bots claiming 2 to 3% monthly returns are all scams. Every single one of them. So let's just use some logic here, okay? A trading bot that can deliver a consistent 2 to 3% return per month. I know that for new traders, that seems very, I don't know, mediocre. You might think that this is rookie numbers, but 2 to 3% return per month with minimal drawdown, you basically have a money printing machine. That kind of consistent return can compound to incredible profits over time, and that all depends on the capital you use, okay? So think about it. The capital you use and the number of accounts that you have. So there are literally no limits to this. Now ask yourself, if someone developed a bot that could do this, would they sell it to you for $100, $1,000, or even $10,000? Do you think that they will give you a hand over their personal ATM machine? Of course not. And the programmer or the developer of such bot would know its true value and wouldn't need to sell it or advertise it online. Alright? These companies send me emails. Sometimes I don't reply, okay? Most of the times I don't reply. And they send a follow-up email. Can you believe so? Do you think that someone that has an ATM machine will send me another email to be this desperate for me to promote their bot? Okay? Or maybe they're just generous angels, right? Trying to help people succeed, right? Just think about it, guys. And the truth is, this industry is full of people selling dreams to desperate traders. So this industry, you are either making money from actual trading or you are making money off desperate people. Trading is very tough, okay? It's emotional, frustrating, disappointing, and when you're struggling with your manual trading, it's tempting to look for an easy way out. Believe me, I was there many times. Like a bot, you're looking for a bot signal service and you are ignoring the logic and the signals that is telling you that this is probably just a scam. But with those frustration, those setbacks, you try to believe those easy way out. But that's just an excuse. You're ignoring the reality that success in trading takes hard work. All right, and the only way to make it in this market is to spend a lot of time in front of the charts. Okay, develop your own edge, work on your psychology. It's not quick, it's not easy. All right, stop believing those social media motivational quotes. People who claim that trading is easy. All you have to do is to manage risk. All you have to do is to stick to your rules. Like, this is something we didn't know. It's very hard. All right, no profitable trader will say otherwise. Okay, no one will say trading is simple. And sometimes, even when you do everything right, you will still lose sometimes, and that's just part of the game. Okay, and the worst thing you can do is to stop. Be consistent with your efforts. So stop chasing bots, indicators, right? Especially indicators, signal services. Block out all the noise. Stay disciplined. Put in daily efforts, right? And thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Now, happy trading and good luck.